Hey, what's up guys? Mike here with Step-by-Step Programming, and today we're going to learn how to sort data using Realm. This should be a pretty quick little experience, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Hello World XC workspace that I had done in the previous project, the CRUD with Realm in 7 Steps project. The link is below in the comments if you'd like to download, if you haven't already went through that project. And so here we have our everything is ready to do all the CRUD operations. You can see if I do eat Cocoa Puffs, add that, so you can create and read, and then you click to delete. So let's go ahead and add that back because Cocoa Puffs are delicious. And let's also add drink almond milk because regular milk upsets my stomach. And also save the world, which I'd rather eat Cocoa Puffs and drink almond milk personally, but you know. So let's go with right here we have our load items, which is what brings it up. You see it's here in the view did load. There it is. And it's also down here every time we add a new item. We have to call this load items as well. So what we're going to do is pretty simple. We have this example.swift that is here, basically outlining a class for the objects that we're putting in here. And we have this dynamic variable name, and let's say we want to sort by that alphabetically. So we're going to go back into the view controller, and we're simply going to type in sorted by key path. I'm going to say name, so whatever the variable is that you've defined, and then ascending, I'm going to say true. Now let's see how that goes. And see, there we go. The drink almond milk was moved before the eat Cocoa Puffs. And now maybe violin practice. Just I was thinking of something lower in the alphabet. There we go. Correctly gets added to the bottom. And then buy apples. Let's see where that goes. Gets added to the top. So there we go. We've done it in all about 3 minutes. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.